Indian oil. It's all about oil. Wash the hair 3 times with shampoo. A special pre-straightening shampoo from the Indian Oil series in order to clean the greasy leftovers in the hair. Wait 10 minutes. Dry the hair completely with a blow dryer and a brush. Spread the material, starting just 1 centimeter away from the roots of the hair and continuing all the way to the hair ends. Brush during spreading. If the hair ends absorb the material, just add a bit more material to the ends during the waiting process. Dry the hair with a blow dryer until the material is completely dry. After it's all dry, quickly rinse the hair for 5 seconds. With the straightening material, like in regular hair washing, for 30 seconds. Brush the hair thoroughly for a full minute and then wash it all off. After washing, again dry the hair with a blow dryer and a brush until completely dry. The hair will be a bit greasy, but don't worry about it. After the hair dries, use a high-quality hair straightener, a ceramic iron, and do 1 row of hair at a time. Go through every row 10 times. When you're done, wait 10 minutes and then wash the hair again with the Indian Oil shampoo. Then, apply the Indian Oil hair mask on the hair. Wait 10 more minutes. Brush the hair with a thick hairbrush. You need to apply the Indian Oil serum before drying the hair. Just add 10 drops before and 10 drops after the hair is all dry. Good luck! Thank you for choosing our company. All of our products are supervised by the Health Department. Indian Oil. It's all about oil.